Year's. Happy 2026. It's officially been a year since I've been back on my YouTube journey. I'm doing something exciting today. All my Billy bookcases have arrived and the beginning of my library is happening. Let me show you what this room has now turned into. I sold my original desk and now I just have this little console table. It's my little desk with a IKEA thing and books stacked over there. This little ottoman, there's gonna be a mirror above here, and then the bookshelf is gonna go here. So she's still a little bit messy right now, but that's okay. I'm starting the building process. I'm gonna do it kind of like make it into like a built-in. So I'm gonna build a platform and then like molding on the top and stuff. I'm also not positive what color I want to do. I either want to do like really dark green, dark brown, or white. Either like dark and moody cozy or like white and calming. Undecided. Anyways, well, let's start opening some bookshelves here. This bad boy has been marinating in my fridge for 2 months because that's the last time I went to a workout class. I fear I'm gonna pass away this morning. Also, I was making that like warm apple topping for my yogurt and the recipe said, I've never made it before, the recipe said 5 minutes. So I was like, cool, I have time. No, it was not. And then you go and like read the actual recipe and it was like stir for 5 minutes and then stir for 5 minutes and then stir for another 5 minutes. I was like, I don't have time for this. So now I'm eating a protein bar and going to my first workout class of 2026 and my first workout class in 2 months. Yeah, my back is a wee bit sore from building all those bookcases yesterday. I built the 2 big ones and then the skinny one. So I have to go home and still finish like the toppers. Okay, I have to stop yapping and I need to leave. I'm gonna eat my yogurt bowl when I'm back. I'm still excited about it. It's just not at the moment. It's pouring. I'm not putting my hood on because I'm preparing myself to be boiling hot in the class. Granola, chia seeds, and apples. You guys, there's this little dash out ornament that's like a Christmas thing and it sits outside on your lawn and it lights up. And it was last year's. I think I only had it last year and then this year was a corgi and I found it. And I just drove to some random Canadian Tire and I ordered it online last night to pick up. So I'm gonna go grab it. I'm so excited. I was hunting. I've been hunting like every single week. I'm on Marketplace, like scouring to see if somebody has one. This is why you don't give up. It was never on the Canadian Tire website because it's not even made for this year anymore. And then I guess maybe some people returned it because there's 3 in stock. I don't know, or they just had old stock. Anyways though, I'm gonna go get it. I'm so excited. And then I'm going to another workout class because she's back. Got my sherbet swirl this morning. I'm tired. It's Sunday. I got the goods. I feel like it's one that somebody returned, but I don't even care. Oh, I'm so excited for it. I'm gonna quickly pop into Michael's now and get something for work. So yummy. It's overnight oats with the peanut butter powder and then blueberries on top. Okay, I've got my overnight oats, tea, my planner to plan the week. Willow's all cozy. I have to talk to the camera first. I don't know why sometimes I still get embarrassed. It's been like a year. Okay, it's 4:45. I ended up going on a walk with my neighbor and then went to my grandma's. And then I went to Save-On and HomeSense. So I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. Okay, Evan, you can watch now. You ready for the taffy?
You don't have to do the taffy yet.
Healthy teriyaki sauce.
Oh,
65% less sugar teriyaki sauce. I need that for a meal. An avocado and a green pepper. Broccoli, lettuce, pickles. Oh my god, I just did it!
You the Tappy Tappy?
Like without even thinking, I just did it. Chicken gravy. Look at this egg stacker. It's skinny, so it should help with space in our fridge. Yellow potatoes, cherry tomatoes, ground turkey, tomato sauce. I like this one. Little jars. So I can prep my smoothies and my overnight oats. These are cute, I'm excited. Also, they're pink.